Hello friend, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how to update on your iPhone. Sometime we need to update software. So how you can update your software on your iPhone. All right. So if you want to update your latest software update, then you should go to the settings. After open the settings, then you should see similar like UI. Then if you want to update your software, then you will need to look the general option. Then I tap on general options. Alright, and here is showing some option like about software update, Apple Care, AirDrop, many options. You should just tap on software update. Have any software version, latest version available? Then here in showing, then you can just choose which one you want to update. Here is showing iOS latest version. So if you want to like update, then you can just tap now update now. And if you want to update tonight, then you can select update tonight. So that's it. And if you want to like automatic update, then you can just enable some options. Then your phone manage the automatic update when uh, you get notification, new update, software update, version update, then you will get notification and your phone automatic manage the auto update. So that's it. And thanks for the watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and let me know which video you want to next. Thank you. Bye bye.